Hey, what's going on, family? My name is Lyric, and I'm the founder of National Black-Owned Business Network and the creator of LuminU.net. I am here to tell you that LuminU.net is a platform for your business to scale and grow. It is a premier platform, and I'm going to tell you why. First reason is it is an official business site for the Columbus Black-Owned Business page. We have 85,000 businesses inside of this group, and we have 65,000 active members in this group at any given time ready to spend money with you. We already do that inside of the group. This is only a supplement of the group to give patrons and businesses the capabilities to really be a business in regards to how to engage with customers. Like on the customer side, they'll be able to rate you. They'll be able to send you reviews. They'll be able to reach out and request information about your business. They can see your menus. They can see your pricing. They can see your specials, your coupons, etc., etc. And as a business, you'll be able to communicate to your customers. You can control reviews. You can reach out back to your customers, fix bad issues, congratulate them on good issues. You'll be able to gain leads. They will be able to literally fill out a form that will get right to you, and you can collect the data that you need. The second best part about it is that you can connect your Google Analytics to my site, and you will be able to get the analytics that come along with everybody that visits your page. Everybody that visits your page, what they click on, what they're interested in, everything Google Analytics gives for a business in general, you will be able to use integrated with this site. Third best thing is search engine optimization. My favorite part. Now, a lot of you may not know what that is, but basically it means that you rank when somebody searches something that your business offers, you rank somewhere at the top. You always want to rank on the first page. So that's what we're working on the back end, but at the same time, you can actually put keywords in. If you already know what that is, put keywords in and you can rank with us. You'll be associated with businesses associated with our schema, with our page. That's not even all. I said the last thing, but let me tell you one last thing. You will be able to run ads that actually help you. You can run ads that go to Google Ads, right? Your ads that you run through us will also run through a Google ad platform. So you'll be able to reach customers not only in the site, but also outside of the site. That is what the best part about this is. We are limited inside of the Facebook group. Columbus Black-Owned Business is a group. I'm giving you a platform that you can catapult your business and grow and scale. It is phenomenal to start off. You can actually utilize this site for absolutely free for 10 days, a trial. You can try it out for absolutely free. All the features will be free to you. You can check it out, see what we're talking about. And if you like it, you can put your first listing on there. The lowest subscription that's there is $12. You can literally host your business in this business listing for $12. Unheard of, guys. Unheard of. You won't see it anywhere else. People charge $25 a month, $30 a month. I'm charging $12 because I know that what we're doing is great, and you're going to continue to come back, and the value is going to be there. So with that being said, I thank you for being a part of LuminU.net. If you haven't added your listing, add it now. Stop playing with yourself. And if you are a part of it, thank you so much. We appreciate you, and just wait till you see the value that you got out of it. I'm so excited to see where it brings us. Guys, LuminU.net, the premier business listing site for your small business to grow and scale. Love, peace, chicken grease, y'all. Y'all take care.